Hello, welcome to Fullerton's Professional Organizing. This is Carrie, and today we're talking about clutter-free living, achieving mental clarity through the teachings in the Bible. All right, so we're going to talk about clutter. Clutter isn't just physical. It can also clutter our minds and our hearts, our body, soul, spirit, hindering our ability to think clearly and to focus on what truly matters. We say that a lot. What truly matters? What do we value? What is our life all about? Our family, our values. In this podcast, we'll explore how the Bible can guide us in achieving clutter-free living, leading to mental clarity, peace, and purpose in our homes, business, and faith. Now, we're going to start with tips for clutter-free living in our home. Decluttering your space. We talk about it over and over and over. Number 1, start small, but think big. Begin by tackling one area at a time, whether it's a drawer, Okay, we had a little technical difficulty, but let's start with 1 again. Start small, think big. Begin by tackling one area at a time, whether it's a drawer, a closet, or a room. Small victories lead to big transformations. All right, guys, sorry about that. My phone went dead, so I didn't remember where I was at, so I started with number 1 again. Number 2, let go of excess. Release attachments to material possessions and embrace a mindset of simplicity. Keep only what is necessary and brings you joy. Now, for business, we're going to talk about streamlining your work. Number 1, organize your workspace. Create a clutter-free work environment by implementing effective storage solutions and minimizing distractions. Prioritize tasks. That's number 2. Focus on high priority tasks that align with your values and goals. Delegate or disregard tasks that drain your energy without adding value. Now, let's talk about cultivating spiritual clarity. Number 1, seek God's guidance. Proverbs 3:5-6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. So let's surrender control and seek guidance from God in all areas of your life, including decluttering your mind, body, soul, spirit. Number 2, releasing anxiety and worry. Matthew 6:34. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Trust in God's provision and release anxiety about the future. Release what we can't control, right? Focusing instead of living each day with purpose and faith. Now, are you ready to experience the peace and clarity that comes from clutter-free living? Subscribe to Fullerton's Professional Organizing for more tips on decluttering your home, streamlining your business, and deepening your faith. Share your clutter-free living journey and insights in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I love hearing your comments. Now, clutter-free living isn't just about tidying up. It's about achieving mental clarity, peace, and purpose in every aspect of our lives. By decluttering our physical space, streamlining our work, and seeking spiritual guidance from the man above, we can experience the transformative power of clutter-free living, guided by biblical perspectives. Now, let's talk about creating calm. How organization leads to inner peace. In the chaos of modern life, finding inner peace can seem like an elusive goal. However, by embracing organization in our homes, businesses, and our faith, we can cultivate a sense of calm that permeates every aspect of our lives. And we're going to explore how the principles of organization can lead to inner peace, bringing harmony and tranquility to our daily routines. We're going to start with tips for creating calmness. Okay? In our homes, we want to simplify our spaces. Declutter regularly. That's number one. Make decluttering a regular practice to remove excess belongings and create a serene environment. Number two, we've talked about this. Designate zones. Create designated areas for different activities and maintain order and minimize distractions. Number three, embrace minimalism. These are all things we continue to talk about. Simplify your decor and possessions to create a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. Plus, it makes it easier for dusting and cleaning and putting things away. Now we're going to talk about business and streamlining your operations. One, prioritize your tasks. Focus on high priority tasks and delegate or eliminate non-essential ones to reduce our overwhelm. Number two, implement systems. Develop efficient systems and workflows to streamline your business operations and minimize stress. And you can record the instructions on a video for those that you continue to teach the same things over and over and over, these systems. Okay? Now, in our faith journey, we're going to talk about nurturing, okay? One, it's through daily devotion, making time for God, for prayer, and reading your Bible, quiet time, reflection to nourish your spirit and find inner peace with God, with our God, our Creator. Release anxiety. Surrender your worries and anxieties to God, trusting in God's guidance and provision. Now, by embracing organization in our homes, business, and in our personal faith life, we can create a sense of calm and inner peace that enriches, it will enrich every aspect of our lives, whether through simplifying our space, streamlining our tasks, or nurturing our spirit. The principles of organization can lead to a life filled with harmony and tranquility. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights on living a peaceful and organized life. You'll find me also on the podcast. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward creating calm and inner peace. All right, I will see you on the next podcast. Thank you for listening.